Hey medicos, do you know the pectoralis major muscles? I am pinned out over here. So let's first remove the deltoid muscle so we can clearly see this. And I have already mentioned the link where I have given the origin and insertion of pectoralis major muscles. But let's quickly revise it. So it is first from the anterior surface of the medial two-third of clavicle. So here we have clavicle bone and clavicle के medial side से pectoralis major muscles is getting an origin. Then half of the breadth of the anterior sternum से sixth costal cartilage. We have removing this rectus abdominis muscles and the external abdominal muscle. Then we can see from six. It is from the sixth costal cartilage तक it has origin, and then second to sixth costal cartilage and external oblique muscles which are already present over here उससे पूरा उसका origin होता है and it is an inserted over the lateral rib of the bilaminar tendon of the bicipital groove of humerus. And now supply and action we will do in the another video. So now the another group which is the pectoralis minor muscle. So pectoralis minor muscle, it's getting originated from the third, fourth and fifth rib. As we can see clearly over here, it is our second rib, third rib, this is our fourth rib, and this is our fifth rib. So it is an originate from the third, fourth and fifth rib of the costochondral junction, and it is getting an inserted over the medial border of upper surface of the coracoid process. So now let's remove over this deltoid, and we can see this is going over here and it getting an inserted over a coracoid process. I hope you can able to see this insertion of the pectoralis minor muscles. Okay, so now let's revise one another muscles which is subclavian muscles. I hope you can able to see it when I am going to pin it. This is your subclavian muscle. I hope you can able to see this green dot which is our subclavian muscle which is first rib at the costochondral junction. So उसका origin होता है and it getting inserted over a subclavian group in the middle one third of clavicle. So if you have revised this clavicle perfectly, you will able to know the subclavian muscles. Okay, so let's meet in our another video. Please subscribe to my channel.